Welcome guys. In this video, I'm gonna just teach you how to modify the Steel and Flash 2 version 2.0.1. So first, you need to install the Lucky Patcher. I just dropped the link in the video description. Just go in there and tap the link and you can just install it. So let's go. So just follow what I'm doing here. First, enter the Lucky Patcher and find the Steel and Flash, and then modified. Go to app multiple modes. So tap this tree, and then tap the two in the top. The auto mode in the auto mode Dex, and then next step. And then here you can just press the next step, and here just tap the in the top. In here you need to just wait, but in here I'm just gonna skip it for it. So in here we just done. Then go to file. Go into the file and then uninstall and install. Then yes, just press the yes. You need to just wait this a little bit. This is not long, guys. So this mode, guys, is just not only unlimited money, but you can just purchase the cool armor into the store. So you can just purchase the money in the cool armor in the Play Store, so you can have like Lord armor. So after this, press OK and go back to home and press the Steel and Flash, and let's go. So if there's is a anyone who can follow the instruction, just comment down below and I'm gonna answer it. So in here, just go to the shop and try to purchase anything. After that, just like that, boom. You can just purchase anything, guys. Just like that. And just like that. And go to armor and buy anything you want. And just like that. And go to the money and purchase that 2 million gold. There. And you can just purchase while playing. You can just create in here. And after you just done, just go to shop again. Go to my purchase, just received it. And just look at the money. Oh, let's go. And just like that, if this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe, guys. It's gonna help me a lot. Thank you, thank you. Goodbye.